Hey guys, Chris here from Nevada Random. Today is another turbo day. So in the first turbo video, I talked about that air muffler on the intake box. Well, we're going to take care of that problem right now. This big beautiful beast is going to be replacing that ugly quiet part we had before. As you can imagine, this is going to be an even easier upgrade than what pulling that silencer ring out there was. All I have to do is take off the connector to the air sensor, loosen up the two clamps, pull the tube off. We'll do a little side-by-side comparison. Put the new tube on, tighten the clamps down, reconnect the connector, and we're in business. Alright guys, got the old tube pulled off, and as soon as I get this new tube put on, I'm going to take this old tube apart and see what all is actually in this air canister. But that's the difference right there. It is installed. Had to let the track cool off, so it took a little bit longer, but check this out. See how she sounds here shortly. Anyways, at the risk of looking like a high school biology class, let's dissect this thing. Okay, for later use, the two arrows go to turbo side. But that's the extent of this thing, folks. Baffled glare muffler. I don't know about you guys, but let's hear how this beast sounds. Alright guys, this is the first fire with that cold tube on. Don't notice it at idle. Guys, I didn't notice anything on the start and a little bit of a rev, but so I'm going to move this thing, give it a little gas when it was under load. I definitely noticed a little bit of a difference. So I'm definitely noticing, sounds like the turbo's spooling up a little faster. Maybe it's going to hear it more. And it seems like it spools down a lot faster as well. It might be just me and wishful thinking, but we'll take a look. Oh no, it's louder. guys, that wraps this one up. You know, I'd originally just got that cool tube just for the added benefit of hearing the turbo some more. But I did a little more research, and I'm not the only one who noticed some difference to the turbo spool. I think it feels like there's a little more response, and it definitely sounds way cooler. Plus, it gets rid of some of that factory Dodge, weird engineered parts. I see no reason to have that air muffler in there and all the baffles. You know, get air in as fast as you can and let the turbo do its thing. So I highly recommend toss one of these in there. It's a cheap upgrade. It's a lot cheaper than a cold air intake, and since the factory airbox is a cold air intake, it's a win-win. Well, guys, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. I got some more stuff coming up real soon. Got some more parts going in the truck. I think you guys want to check it out. Anyhow, on that one, you guys have a good one. Catch you next time.